Hello, welcome to Aries Cupcakes. So, last weekend was my birthday and I had an amazing weekend, but the only thing I did not indulge in was birthday cake. So I figured it'd be the perfect opportunity to make birthday cupcakes. So I made these cute little confetti cupcakes and I'm gonna make my own sprinkle mixture and try something new and see how it works out. So come along on this journey and I am gonna make my birthday cupcakes. Let's do it. Alright, so here's what you'll need. So I made, again, these cute confetti cupcakes. Basically, I made these by making regular cake batter and then I sprinkled some rainbow sprinkles on top before I put them in the oven. Some multicolored sprinkles. I have here orange, yellow, green, and blue sprinkle candies that I'm going to make my own combo mixture of. Some cherries, some whipped cream, and of course buttercream frosting. Alright, so to make my sprinkle mixture, I'm basically just going to pour all of my sprinkles into one bowl. Alright, awesome. And then I am just going to shake them around, mix them up so that the colors are all mixed up. Ooh, isn't that pretty? Super pretty. Alright, so next I'm going to move that aside and then I'm going to get ready to pipe the buttercream onto my cupcakes. So I did not use a piping tip because I'm literally just going to go around the edge of the cupcakes. So it's really not that serious for it to have like a specific design. Literally just piping on the outside. So just gonna squeeze a little bit of that out. Okay, good. And I'm just going to pipe around the outside of each cupcake. Alright, awesome. There we go. So I'm leaving a little hole in the middle of each cupcake. Cool? Alright, so next I'm going to take my sprinkles and I'm going to just take the cupcake and roll each cupcake into the sprinkle mixture. And just hope that it catches my sprinkles. Oh, perfect. Just like that. I'm going to do that with each cupcake. You may need to roll your sprinkles around a little bit to get them back on track. Perfect. Perfect. Look at those. Alright, next I'm just going to place a small dollop of whipped cream in the center of each cupcake because I love Cool Whip, whipped cream, whatever you choose to have just in the middle like that. Yummy. Boom. Now, for the final touch, I'm just going to drop a cherry on top. Super cute! And that's it. My birthday cupcakes. Happy birthday to me.
Like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram at Aries_Cupcakes. Visit AriesCupcakes.com for blogs, recipes, and so much more. Thank you all for your support. Don't forget to subscribe, and thank you again for watching. Hope to see you all soon. Bye-bye.